Hi guys, I'm Brian with AllGuard Windows, Doors, and Siding, and we're on site in beautiful northern Colorado going over a block frame retrofit installation. Check it out. In this installation type, we're going to be removing the exterior storm windows if applicable, the interior wooden stops, we're going to be removing all the sashes and the tracks, and the existing wood window frame is going to remain intact. We'll clean out the cavity, apply our flashing tape. Once we get the window set, make sure the window operates correctly. We're then going to apply a non-expansion insulating foam around the entire perimeter. Reapply those wooden stops if applicable. Then we are going to go and custom bend aluminum trim coil. We call them wraps. What this is going to do is create a nice, beautiful aesthetic that's going to cover up the old wooden frame, and it's going to create that transition to the new window. This is the same material type we use for our Z flashing on our nail fin and full gut installation types. Once these are snapped into place, we're going to apply a nice clean caulk bead all the way around the interior and the exterior. There you have it, as a block frame retrofit installation. If you have any further questions or need any explanations, please direct that to your consultant.